What I wish I knew the first time my Honda Civic's rear view camera went out. It's easier to fix than you think. Let me show you how. Start by checking the basics. Is your display screen blank or just showing a black image? If yes, first look at your car's gear. Make sure you're fully in reverse. Next, check the camera lens at the back. Sometimes dirt or water can block the view. Wipe it gently with a soft, clean cloth. Still no picture? Let's try a simple reset. Turn off your car, wait 10 seconds, then turn it back on. Sometimes electronics just need a quick restart. If that doesn't work, pop your trunk and find the camera's wiring. Look for any loose or disconnected cables. Push them in gently, but don't force anything. Still having trouble? There's a fuse for the camera system. Check your owner's manual to find the exact location. If the fuse is blown, replace it with one of the same rating. If all else fails, it might be time to visit a mechanic or your dealership, but in many cases a quick wipe or reset is all you need. Keep your rear view clear, and your drive even safer.